Welcome to the ultimate transformation guide for one of the boldest and most versatile looks in fashion, the pixie cut with bangs. If you have been looking for a sign to chop your looks, this is it. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. The pixie cut is no longer just a short haircut. It's a powerful style statement that radiates confidence and effortless cool. We begin with the wispy bangs pixie, perfect for those who want a soft, feminine touch that beautiful frames the eyes. For the trendy, we have the edgy side swept pixie, where long bangs meet a tight undercut, creating a dramatic contrast that's both modern and sophisticated. If you prefer a more vintage vibe, the classic baby bangs offer a chic French inspired look that is timeless and daring. The magic of the pixie cut lies in its incredible versatility. With a little bit of texturizing wax, you can go from a sleek, professional office look to a messy, rock star aesthetic in seconds. It's low maintenance, high impact, and highlights your facial features like no other style can. Whether you choose a blunt, fringe, or soft feather layers, the pixie with bangs is all about expressing your unique personality. So take a screenshot of your favorite look from this video, choose your stylist, and embrace the power of the short hair revolution. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hair inspiration and beauty transformation. See you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.